Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a quick little video. I've got a request for the exhaust sound for this is a 2007 H2 SUT with 22,000 miles on it. And as you can tell, it's got some aftermarket dual exhaust here. And so I've got a request they want to hear the exhaust. I'm going to compare it to another 2007 that we just got in with factory exhaust, single factory exhaust, and so you can tell the difference because it's hard to know otherwise. So what I'll do first is I'll give you the baseline, and this is the factory. So I'm going to set my phone down right underneath, and then I'll start it, and then I'll do the same with this one. Okay? So hold on. Okay, so that's the factory exhaust. Now we'll do this one. I'm going to leave that running, so then once I start this one, I'll go back and forth so you can hear. There's not a huge difference. This one's just a little more throaty, so it's not obnoxious, just a little more throaty sound, and that's about it. So hold on. So hopefully you can hear the difference. We'll go back to here. And then back over here. And that's it. And then when you get the RPMs up, like you're driving it on the, 50, 60, 70 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour, whatever, there's no drone. There's not a huge difference at all, if you can notice any, because it's designed that way so you don't have that annoying loud or droning sound. So anyway, so that's it. 22,000 miles. All right, I hope that helps. If you guys have any requests, let me know.